वो सिर्फ टीचर नहीं थे बल्कि ज्ञान के प्रतीक थे, जिन्होंने दिखाया कि एक अच्छा गुरु देश की सबसे बड़ी संपत्ति होता है। जिन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी शिक्षा, सोच और इंसानियत को समर्पित कर दी। डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन एक ऐसे गुरु जिनके शब्द आज भी हर क्लासरूम में गूंज रहे हैं। माइक एंड माइंड सैल्यूट्स डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन फॉर इंस्पायरिंग जनरेशंस, ऑनरिंग टीचर्स एंड रिमाइंडिंग अस दैट नॉलेज विदाउट कैरेक्टर इज इनकम्प्लीट। आइए जानते हैं उस महान गुरु के विचार और उनका संदेश जो हर शिक्षक और विद्यार्थी के लिए प्रेरणा का दीपक हैं। डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन, a philosopher teacher, India's second president and a great educator. When was he born? He was born on the 5th of September 1888 in Tiruttani, Tamil Nadu. When did he pass away? He died on the 17th of April 1975 in Madras, now Chennai. What important political offices did he hold? He was first Vice President and then President of India. Why is the 5th of September celebrated as Teachers' Day in India? Because it is his birthday and he believed teachers are nation builders. Which philosophical tradition did he draw upon? He used Advaita Vedanta and comparative religion to bridge east or west. What was his message to teachers? Teachers should be the best minds in the country. What major academic position did he hold at Oxford? He was the Spalding Professor of Eastern Religions and Ethics at Oxford. Name a major written work of his. Indian Philosophy, 2 volumes, is one of his landmark works. What major national award did he receive? He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1954. What university position did he hold in Banaras Hindu University? He was Vice Chancellor of BHU from 1939 to 1948. What role did he play in education reform? He emphasized that education should build character, not just provide knowledge. What international role did he perform before becoming Vice President? He served as India's ambassador to the Soviet Union. What did he believe about religion? He taught that all religions lead to the same truth and deserve respect. What is one of his famous quotes about learning? When we think we know, we cease to learn. What was his family background? He was born into a Telugu-speaking Brahmin family. His father was a revenue official. What is his legacy in modern India? He left an enduring legacy as a teacher, philosopher and statesman impacting education and values. What overseas academic recognition did he receive? He was elected Fellow of British Academy and awarded Order of Merit, UK, and other honours. What did he request on his birthday? He suggested his birthday be celebrated as Teachers' Day, honouring teachers. Why should students and teachers remember him? Because he showed that education, values and service to humanity define